The Indian python, scientifically known as Python molurus, holds the distinction of being one of the largest snakes on the planet. This non-venomous reptile inhabits the lush forests of India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, Nepal, and Bhutan. Found in these dense and humid regions alongside numerous other threats, the Indian python can make survival quite challenging. If the intense heat doesn't take its role, these creatures certainly pose a risk. Growing to an impressive length of approximately 20 feet and weighing around 150 pounds, the Indian python represents a longer and slimmer variant compared to its counterparts across the globe. Sporting whitish or yellowish hues with a touch of brown, their coloration enables them to seamlessly blend into the jungle environment as they patiently lie in wait, hoping to come across unsuspecting prey. These snakes are nocturnal and tend to be sluggish. They can stay submerged underwater for extended periods or skillfully climb trees, maneuvering their way around the trunks. However, they predominantly prefer terrestrial habitats. Due to their cold-blooded nature, they undergo hibernation during the colder months, while the warmer months raises concern. It is during this time that the Indian python indulges in hearty feasting prepared to endure its lengthy naps. Similar to other python species, the Indian python preys upon small mammals and birds. Employing their robust jaws, they seize their victims, slowly suffocating them before consuming them whole. Sadly, the Indian python population is classified as vulnerable due to the hunting and capturing for food and skin. Additionally, habitat destruction significantly contributes to their dwindling numbers.